Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. To change the watch face on this device, you will need to open the Garmin Connect app on the phone that is paired with your band. In the app, select the device right here, the Vivosmart 3, to open the Vivosmart settings page. On this page, tap on Device Settings, then select Orientation and Watch Face, and here we have a list of watch faces we can select and apply. Find the one you like, for example this one, tap on it to select it, then go back to the device page, wait until the devices are done syncing. Basically, it's syncing now, as you can see. If it doesn't want to sync, you can tap on Sync Now button to force it, and once the devices are done syncing, I'm gonna wake up the screen. And after I wake up the screen, as you can see, the watch face changed. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.